Welcome to another week of Social Distancing from Mr. Z. If you can believe it, this is episode number 16. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy in Minneapolis. Today I've got another magic trick for you. So you can see that the box is empty. And the tube is also empty. Abracadabra. Happy spring. Some of you may have already seen this, but last week I had the opportunity to get interviewed on the news. I thought I'd show you a little bit of that interview. The series is called Social Distancing from Mr. Z, and it's just a daily video that I release to stay connected with the students. If any of the videos bring a smile to someone's face, it's worth it.
You're watching Minnesota's most watched station. This is WCCO4 News.
We caught up with Nathan Ziegler, a principal at Hope Academy in Minneapolis.
Not doing anything else. You gotta stay home, so might as well do some of this.
He started a YouTube series called Social Distancing from Mr. Z. There are science experiments and bad dad jokes, but also trick shots.
My son said, "Hey, Dad, if you want me to do some trick shots for your show, you're gonna need to buy me some wood."
They then built an obstacle course for a basketball. Its journey started on the rooftop and ended with nothing but net. Yes! The golf shot took a little longer to master. Any idea how many takes it took?
He told me it was well into the hundreds.
But they left out my favorite question, do I miss you all? I miss them a lot. There's just a lot of just that face-to-face interaction that I don't have now, and so it's been really difficult not seeing them. I do miss them a lot. Thanks a lot, John. Yeah, talk to you later. And it's Monday, so I've got some more Monday memes for you. Yeah, we're time traveling to the year 2020. 5 minutes later. Nope, bad idea. This one's particularly good for Minnesota. Mosquitoes be waking up from winter like, where y'all at? Quarantine day 16. All right. Quarantine day 16. And if your parents need some advice on how to keep people 6 feet away from you when shopping at the store. And the last one, be like Kylo Ren, wears a mask, doesn't visit his elderly mom, socially and emotionally distant, talks to his girlfriend only on Skype. Friday's riddle was, you answer me, but I never ask you a question. What am I? The answer is telephone. And for today's riddle, sometimes people like to make up their own riddles. Future Hope Academy student Jasper Brown has a riddle for us today.
What never freezes, even if it's made out of water?
Yesterday was Easter. My favorite account of the resurrection is found in John 20. Mary Magdalene had gone to visit Jesus' tomb, and an angel appeared to her. And this angel was the one that had rolled away the stone, and he told her that Jesus had been risen from the dead. And so she took off and went to go find Simon Peter to tell him that Jesus was raised from the dead. And so once Simon Peter and John heard about it, this is the account that John gives. And you're going to notice he includes a couple of details that aren't included in the other Gospels. So Peter and the other disciple started for the tomb. And so when John is saying the other disciple, he's talking about himself. Both were running, but the other disciple outran Peter and reached the tomb first. So he likes to point out that they had a little race and John won the race. He bent over and looked at the strips of linen lying there, but did not go in. Then Simon Peter came along behind him, again points out who got there first, and went straight into the tomb. He saw the strips of linen lying there, as well as the cloth that had been wrapped around Jesus' head. The cloth was lying in its place, separate from the linen. Finally, the other disciple, who had reached the tomb first, just in case you didn't hear it the first couple times, also went inside. He saw and believed. So I love the humor in this account of continuing to tell us that he was the first one to get there, but in the end, the most important part is that he saw and believed. And so that's my hope and prayer for you, is that as you hear these Easter accounts, that you can believe. So have a wonderful week.